now in the area around Kitzbühel, and we're gonna go on a culinary journey for the next 3 days, visiting different restaurants across the region. And the first one here is Hallerwirt. It's a lovely gasthof that we just arrived at, and we're gonna see what they prepared for us. Just really enjoyed a beautiful lunch here outside on the terrace. It's an Erbhof, which means it's been in family hands for over 200 years. All the products are locally sourced. They work with local farmers only, and they have their own cows. The food was absolutely amazing. Look at this, this is amazing. This is a little shop, only local products, so from local farmers. A really big assortment, butter, meat, cheese, and it's all trust-based. So there's nobody in there, so you pick what you need, pay at the Vertrouwenkassa, the trust register, and people do that. Okay, and so now we're in the heart of Kitzbühel, and this is Unsere Kiste. Check it out. You come in with your credit card, and then you take what you need, pay, and walk out. And it's open 24/7.
We made it to Kitzbühel.
Absolutely, we're in the heart of it, and the city is 750 years old and didn't change.
The charm of the city is it's so colorful. That's because all the houses used to be categorized for the profession that the owners had. So all the bakeries, for example, were orange, and you can really see that till this day they're really trying to still keep that up, and it's super cute.
We're now ready for dinner at the Goldene, which literally means the golden mountain goat. Lekker.
Culinary day number 1 is done and over, and we definitely need some beauty sleep because we're gonna fall into a food coma.
Beautiful, colorful day in Kitzbühel.
Yes.